Ayan, mag-unbox nga tayo ng ating pamaskong handog. So, meron tayong pancake. Mushroom soup. UFC hot and sour soup. And magnolia cheese. Milo. And then ito ay ideal spaghetti pasta. And Jersey condensed creamer. Filipino style spaghetti sauce. Del Monte fruit cocktail. Nata de coco. And this is for salad. And the other one is Hans pork and beans. And Guyabano. Locally made Guyabano juice. And this one is Calbee honey butter chips. Potato chips. That's all.